Hello YouTubers, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a virtual headset. This is called the HEROMASK. So, got this one off of Amazon. I'll provide a link in the description. So it's the HEROMASK. Now, I did have the Samsung Galaxy ones back in the day. I really didn't care for them. Yeah, they had a little bit of Bluetooth control and stuff like that, but never really worked that good. Especially the resolution I didn't like about them. So, kind of want to check this out. So, basically it's just a VR where you put your, you put your actual, your phone in it. So, this does support... This supports it is the iPhone 11 Max Pro, XR, Samsung S10 Plus. So that's cool. It supports the latest phones. Now I don't know about the iPhone 12 Max Pro. I'm pretty sure it would. It's a little bigger phone. Alright, so we got instructions. We got a screen cloth cleaner. That's pretty nice to have, I guess. Clean your screen before you put it in there. So you got all the different languages here. Basically, it just tells you to go to English, VR. So you could just type in the Play Store, Apple Store, Google, or YouTube. You know, you could search YouTube for VR videos. Which that's what we're going to do. And whenever you see this symbol right here, this little symbol, that means that the game or the video, whatever you're playing from the App Store, whatever, when you see that on the actual icon, then it's compatible with this. Which they have a lot of stuff like that, games and schooling stuff and all that. Now, what I didn't like about the Samsung Galaxy, I had a, what is it, Samsung Galaxy S6, 6 Plus or something like that, or 7 Plus. I can't remember. I think it was something like that I used to have. So we got nothing else in the box here, set that to the side. And why I didn't like that one is because the resolution, I don't know, the resolution at the time of the screen, the actual screen itself, you could see the dots big time on the screen when you're viewing it. And I really didn't like that. So I'm curious to see how this one plays out with the newer phone years later and see if the resolutions. Because, I mean, if you're going to, watch videos or stuff like that and you're going to see little big dots, piscos on there, then that's going to bother you. It's a pretty heavy bag there. Wonder what that would be used for. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a touch thing for the screen, for the games. So it touches the screen. So you can activate something, pause the screen, like pause the video. If you want to get a drink of water or something. I would imagine. Or just other controls for the game. So basically you're going to put your phone in here. This is add pressure to it so it holds it on there. You got basically your lenses to go closer to you, back and forth. This one's to go this way, back and forth. So kind of like almost like a focus, adjust to your eyes. Alright, so this is removable. So you can wash it or adjust it how you want. Then you got your adjustments here, obviously. That side and one on this side, obviously. So there's these little remove stickers, so we'll remove that. The other one too. Gotta say, they look like some pretty decent lenses. Maybe possibly actual glass lenses. Oh, we gotta take off the top one here. The HEROMASK. Alright, so we got that stuff removed. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop my phone in. I got an iPhone 11 Max Pro. That's what I'm gonna be using with this. So I'm gonna go to YouTube, search VR video 3D or VR box, whatever you want to search. Alright, so I just searched this video. You got the two lenses there. Shark video, see it's showing an image. So you're going to have it like that. Obviously you're going to want to clean your screen with the thing. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there. I'm going to turn down the sound for copyright because it's somebody else's YouTube. So it is, put the phone in there even. I gotta say it's a lot easier than the VR set that I had for the Samsungs a while ago. Let me take a look at it. You can see the video they were playing. See if I could turn off the lights. So what I'm seeing is you can't really see the little blocks, which is nice. I mean, I can't really get it that good on camera here. But you're not seeing those big blocks. And that's due to the screen and probably the placement of the lenses too. Or the quality of the lenses. Turn the light back on. Alright, I'm going to try it out. You guys ain't going to be able to see it, obviously. Wow. Alright, so you don't see... It's 3D, that's for sure. Oh, here comes the shark. Yeah, the quality is really nice with the iPhone 11 Max Pro. I'd like to see how it is with the 12. That'd even be better. Because they're supposed to have better image quality, I guess. Or an S10 Plus. But yeah, the quality is really nice. I don't see the blocks as much. I would want to say it's like the Samsung Galaxy. You could see a tad of the blocks, but you can't really. But the actual one for the Samsung ones, the quality was horrible on it. I never liked it. This is actually watchable. and you know, I can catch myself watching some 3D movies on this, which is pretty cool. You watch 3D movies when you're just chilling back, or maybe laying down or something like that, you know. And like you said, you could move the lenses here. So if we move this, so you see angled, this is going to pop out the lens. Same with this one. Pops out the lens. And this will just move back and forth here, making the lenses movable. Here, we'll see. See? Take my phone out. I gotta say, it's easy to put in and out. One I had before was a pain in the butt. So that's just basically a 3D video. You got other things like, camera, like I took a video here. See, that's a 3D video. I took that myself. Now what application that is I downloaded it. They had this one for free. It's a paid app, but I had this one, 3D Pro. You can see that. So a 3D Pro app that'll allow you to record in 3D. I don't know if you guys remember the HTC Evo 3D. Awesome phone. I have one of those for collectors. And this basically allow you to view 3D videos and stuff like that if you would record it yourself in 3D, or just some videos if you want to watch or play some games and stuff. It would be nice to see some Bluetooth controls here instead of just the touch, physical touch there. But what I think about it, it's pretty nice quality for 3D. You want something cheap, you can purchase it off of Amazon. I think it's like 35, 40 bucks. So that's basically unboxing of the HEROMASK VR virtual reality for your phone. And that works with the iPhone 11 Max Pro and the Samsung S10 Pluses. Hope you guys liked the unboxing. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll provide a link down below. And as always, thanks for watching.